Bill is likely to not.
They see us. What? Who's that? We just got contact.
Don't die, because I don't want you to not give up to fight. You get captured, but I don't want to fight you.
I know, I recovered though. I'm coming back. Max is dead, unfortunately. I can't get him back without being killed.
Thomas, just get back in here.
Well, at least we're back to a 7-man team.
Okay, here comes that. Here comes that.
We got Max coming from the east. Oh, there you are. So there's a couple of people over there, young kids. Maybe I did on something. Take them with Brendan?
I'm willing to do it, but I have the most accurate gun probably.
Yeah, do you think you and Brendan, since he has actually an automatic gun now, do you think you can go get it? With you? No. So we'll spot you. Okay. We're sending Patrick and Brendan to eliminate them.
2,000 years later.
They can hold it. No one listened to me though. Everyone, I said, okay, so there's people in the 1, 2, 3. Okay, so someone's about 4, 5, 6. Oh boy.
Max, just took out a bunch of them. Shoot Max and get him back.
Guys, get ready to hold your position or retreat. If it's too much, retreat. Hold it if you can.
Like Patrick and Ben on the horse.
One guy up there on the other side. Here, I say someone should get up to that barn. Here, someone get up to that barn. Look it, hurry. Maybe you should get a few more guys on the ground. I say 2 up here, the rest of us go on the ground. Here, Ben. Ben, here. You 2 stay up here. Nick and I are going to go down there.
Yeah, we need to cover the immediate.
I agree.
Now they're moving, go, go.
Moving. Coming. Okay. Well, oh my gosh. Okay. Good. Okay, wow. I'm going up to get range. Here, someone stay down here to watch the door. Someone watch the back door. Someone watch the back door.
Have we not got anything else?
What? Someone should probably get to the bunker now. Getting ready, guys.
That's on. Oh, not good.
Yeah, that's about to be a lot of people.
A lot of mean people.
Yeah, watch that back door, please. We got people coming in the back!
Hello there.
Hit that guy. Trying to bump down. Oh, watch it. Who got me? Watch it. I don't know about the ricochet, but I'm dead. Can you? You're dead. Can someone give us some cover? Guys, cover me. Someone watch that way. Watch this way.
Watch out, come around.
Where are you guys?
Oh no, I thought you hit me.
Okay.
Is this one tap for dive?
What? No. You dead? I'm not trying to use it. Oh, hey. Okay, good. Fine. One guy right here. Hey, don't look, just go. That one. Hurry, get up, he's gonna nail you guys. Watch this stuff for me. You dead? That's the whistle. Game over!